to somebody here. Foundations are real. Foundations are real, sir. Let nobody lie to you. They are real. How you enter. A sower went to sow in Mark chapter 4. And the Bible says some fell on stony ground. Some fell on thorns. In fact, it started by saying some fell on the wayside. Some fell on stony ground. Some fell on thorns. Some fell on good ground. He didn't plant them. They just fell. A wind blew them and they fell. Now, where they fell into determines their productivity. The family you fell into when you were born is what determines what you become. Just imagine if you fell into Dangote family. Just imagine if you fell into Bill Gates family. No! You went to fall in Ake. You went to fall in Igbanke. You went to fall somewhere in Delta. You look at where did you fall? That is what is making your life miserable. Some fell on the wayside. Some fell on thorns. Some fell. Where did you fall? I wish now Bill Gates born you. How will your life has been now? Where did you fall? Foundation. Where did you fall? Some of you fell into families. Your mother visited her belly so much that she became a priestess. She so visits her belly that she doesn't visit anymore. She knows everything. How to kill people. She knows the leaves to join. How to make people barren. She knows the things to say. How to do this. Because she has become a permanent resident customer in shrines. Where did you fall? The battle you are going through now is where you fell. Some fell. It was not their fault. Neither was it the fault of the sower. The sower didn't plant them. The sower held them in his hand, intending to put them in a good ground. A wind blew them, and some fell. Some fell. Some fell. Where did you fall? Which family did you fall into? That is why your life is tense. Listen, some fell among thorns. Go back to verse 4. Go back to verse 4. Go back to verse 4. He says, so some fell on the wayside. The fowls of the air came and devoured it up. Go back to verse 5. Some fell on stony ground. Immediately sprang up because it had no depth of earth. Continue. No, go back to verse 7. Go back to verse 7. Verse 7. He says, some fell among tongues. Chuku. They called tongues chuku. Some people fell into family of chuku. Am I talking to somebody here? They turned to left, chuku them. They turned to right, chuku them. Am I talking to somebody here? Some fell among thorns, and he said he choked them and he yielded no fruit. Where did you fall? Can I say this to you? It is what your father did or your mother did, their errors, that constitute the foundation you are suffering from. And it is what you do today that determines the foundation your children will suffer from. So you are the bridge between the joy of your children and the sorrows of your father. So if we start praying, you pray. We start speaking in tongues, you speak in tongues. You are not just liberating yourself, you are liberating your children. Even if they are not born, you are liberating your future children. What you do today becomes the foundation for your children tomorrow. Where did you fall?